Hi, my name's Cy Brown. I'm the founder and CEO of skignz. Skignz is essentially your signs in the sky. We provide a precise location augmented reality platform and a technology that you can integrate into your current apps that will give you an alternative for maps. And we're working in Newcastle Station as we are here today, and down in King's Cross, skignz has provided a proof of concept to show how our technology could ultimately be built into the LNER app to help with a couple of key areas, one around customer experience, another around assisted travel, and also about bridging the gap between the physical and the digital worlds.
I'm Steve Wilson and I'm the Station Manager for the North East region at LNER. skignz and LNER are working together collaboratively as part of the LNER Future Labs project. I think we need to appreciate that our customers have a variety of different needs. Not everybody can read a map, for example, and railway stations can be quite daunting places. So using technology that most people are familiar with, the mobile phone, comes in a user-friendly format that people are used to using. In terms of benefits for our station staff, we'll be able to identify customers that have booked assistance through the assisted travel service. So they can identify customers that are requiring our help on the station. The app benefits the customer in that they can locate available staff members to help them. It allows our staff to go through the benefits of the app with our customers. So currently the skignz app is very much an advanced wayfinding tool to highlight the different services that are available on the station. But as the trial progresses going forward, we hope to be able to explore other opportunities. Obviously we're very keen to take it to the next level and really excited about using this with our customers and staff, and obviously exploring all the benefits that it'll bring to customers using LNER at Newcastle Station.